Hey everyone, let's create this elegant smoky marble design with gold foil. I'm starting with a rich burgundy gel as the base color. Now I'm adding a red jelly gel to give it a glassy look and more depth. Next, I'm applying blooming gel but I'm not curing it yet. Using an ombre brush, I gently add white gel to create a soft smoky marble effect. I'm adding foil glue along the marble lines. You can use top coat here too. Now I press the gold foil on top to add random golden flakes. And finally, I'm sealing the design with the top coat.